Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I finally did it. So my first video will be a Valentine's garland, balloon garland. I have some pink balloons, some red balloons. I have my balloon pump. So I'm gonna pump up some more red balloons because I don't have that many. Finally found out why push the balloons down, push the air out and push them down to make them more rounder. Let me show you guys. So you see the shape of that? Like a pear or something. Push it down while letting the air out. Look at it now. It's more rounder. And if you push too hard, it might look flat at the top. So I have my handy dandy string. Let's start making our garland. So usually I don't use string, but I'm kind of limited on balloons right now, so I'm just gonna put it together. So I just take them. This one can go right here. Take the string and I wrap it around. And this is only when I'm using string, yeah. And then once I get to like a little end of it, I'll put a knot in it. Red. With the red, all I do is take them. Wait a minute. Take it. Wrap them around like so. Just like that. So I want it to be two everywhere. Balloons pop out. Put it in a little too. Alright guys, now it's time to put up the balloon garland. So here's the balloon garland I just made. And I'm going to put it on my stairs, like so. So this is my Valentine's Day garland. It is so beautiful. I love how I put the reds, you know, in different places. And I even want to put it here. Just play with it. Manipulate the balloons. Beautiful. See how I just put that there? So yes, this is my balloon garland. And remember, I love what I do, so you'll love it too. Catch y'all on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye y'all.